lime, garlic, onions. Should we take a cucumber as well?
Some chilies.
This one is nice.
Actually, that I never ate. You eat this?
Yes, yes, you can steam this. Just cut it very fine.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I know it. This pork belly dish is since day one on our menu at Bauernschänke. And when we started work together with Madame Soul, I had, after almost a year, the idea to put this dish in a dumpling, and I think it would fit very well. Pork belly is actually something we also had in our selection since the beginning of Madame Soul. And having a tasty remake like this is just super exciting.